guys, I'm back. So right now, this is the bedroom that me, my mom, and my crazy brother in the front room will be sleeping in. This is our bedroom. Oh god. This is our bedroom. There's the TV. Can you see it? It's about like, wait a minute. Let me show you guys. It's right there. And that's the bed we'll be sleeping on. So let me show you the bed. The bed is right here. That's where we sleep, like when it's school or holidays and stuff. So yeah. Now we're gonna go to check the bathroom, but we're not gonna do that. It's like, so here's the front room. Okay, there's the front room. It's nice and clear. Oh, that's the kitchen. It's actually nice and beautiful. And this is the bedroom. This is my bed, by the way, because like this was my bedroom. Okay, this was my bedroom, but then my mom didn't want that small one because she thought like she'll need watch size, so I'll do a thing. But I play Xbox and stuff on there. Now, today I will be teaching you guys that if you have a game, I will be teaching you guys how to get the blue color. So the blue color is good and fragile. Now, how would I get it? I will basically try to get something like if you look an achievement or things, you have like an online profile thing. So right now, what we're going to do is I'll be making Callum Plays. This is my first channel, and this is called Callum Boy. My second channel will be Callum Plays, and the final last channel will be called Callum Vlogs. So make sure you stay tuned. I will make sure I make those YouTube channels too, but I can't make them today. I'll probably make them soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys. Let's see if we can get 3 likes on this. No. 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 Sorry, I just have to like hustle. No. No. Sorry, I was just asking my mommy because she was asking me something if I wanted something to eat for the night. No. 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 Okay, so then let's see if we could try to hit, I guess, 4 likes. Let's see if we could try to hit 3 subscribers. Let's see if we could try to hit 3 subscribers. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.